Hi, can a cordless hedge trimmer really replace a cable one? Well, in this video we're going to find out. So welcome to my channel. This is Rich Man Poor Tech. I'm Rich Man, and for new viewers of this channel, this is a technology focused channel, and today's focus is on the DeWalt DCM563. So this is a cordless hedge trimmer using the 18-volt batteries that you'd find in the drills and other DeWalt battery operated devices. So if you're tired of rigging out a cable to find it's too short, or just rigging out a cable and finding out you end up cutting through it, then a battery hedge trimmer is obviously the way to go. So this is the DCM563 18-volt hedge trimmer. So just in comparison to this Bosch one, they feel pretty much the same in the hand. For weight, this has got a slightly longer blade, and obviously you have your DeWalt batteries that just slot in. So that just slots in as such. So on the device, you have like a little safety tab to hold back, and another safety device here, so it's a two-handed operation. So let's go and see if this is actually any good. There's no trouble there cutting through the branches. Seems to have plenty of power. So as with all power tools, I always bang on, it's not just the tools, it's the battery technology. And my recommendations is either DeWalt, Bosch, especially Bosch Blue, and Makita. So all those have got good battery technology. It really is in the technology, and this pays dividends. Now on this hedge trimmer, I'll put the specs up in a second, but on this hedge trimmer, in the cutting ability, it is really as good as a 240 volt, 230 volt corded device. It definitely has the power to go through these. So I'll try and find something that's a bit more of a thicker branch in a minute. But it really is cutting through this new season growth without any trouble at all. So again, when you're turning on to things like the vertical, this is where it's easier to cut through the cable. In this instance, hasn't got a cable. So it seems to have nice balance, decent blade length, so it allows you to get in there. Obviously, if you're doing a bigger hedge, maybe you'd want a slightly longer blade, but for something like this, it seems to be a nice size. So back to my original question, can a cordless hedge trimmer replace a corded one? Well, in this instance, I actually feel that this actually cut better than my Bosch hedge trimmer, the corded one. I don't know whether some of it's down to a new blade, but the fact that it was running from an 18-volt battery instead of the mains electricity seemed to have no difference. I found this had the power to cut through all the new growth in the branches without any problems. So would I recommend one? Well, yes, I definitely would recommend one. I use this with the 4 amp hour battery, although if you had a slightly heavier 5 amp hour battery, it might have been even better balanced. But with this 4 amp hour battery, it seems to have nice balance. So yeah, I definitely recommend one. Please check out my links below, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.